everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram video glitch. To know how to fix Instagram glitch, you should just go Instagram video glitch. You should just go here to settings as you see and you will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps here. And when you will click in apps, you will go down to Instagram here as you see. And then here in this page, you should to go here for stop and you will click like this. When you will click here for stop, you will go to storage and you will click. And here in this page, as you see, you can click here clear cache. After that, you will click clear data like this, and then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe. See you next time.